we get the windscreen off, I'm going to take the cluster off and just set it aside. We're going to remove these two screws, this one and this one. I have to take the gauge cluster off. We're just going to set it all on the motorcycle there. Alright, so once I take the gauge cluster off, I'm going to remove these two screws and these two screws so I can take this entire dash cluster off the headlight mount here. So after those top ones are done, I'm going to take these two bottom ones out. I can take the left piece of the headlight bracket off, or the windscreen bracket. Can feed this is my headlight gauge relocation bracket. I'm gonna move that forward. This is my garage door opener from motodoor.com. It's not sponsored, but in a B. Next, you're gonna want to take this screw off. I've already unplugged it. Do on both each sides. All right, next you're gonna want to take this screw off from each side. So you can take kind of your turn signal wires and don't lose those. Yep, so you can put your turn signals out of the way there. So once those are removed, you're going to want to take this little white connector off here. Assuming that's for your running light. So that just unplugs there. All right, how do we get our... Then you're going to want to take the connector off. For your H4. All right, once we get the headlight undone from its connector here, over on this side, which is the stock bulb, it's just gonna uncradle from here, and you know, you got the headlight off.